Good afternoon. Standard 10th subject English. Yesterday we learned a poem 2.1. You start dying slowly. So on this part of the poem there is an extract on it. Today we will learn about it and I will give you an extract of this poem. Listen carefully and solve this extract in your notebook as well as in your workbook. So listen carefully. Question. Read the extract and complete the activities. A1. These are three questions in this extract. A1, A2 and A3. A1 for 2 marks, A2 for 2 marks and A3 for 1 marks. Total marks 5. It is very important for the few of examination, and so you read it again and again. Listen carefully, I will tell you. A1. Simple factual activity. Simple factual activity. Say whether the following piece of advice by the poet are right or wrong. First sentence. Appreciate your own good qualities. Second, you should kill your self-esteem. Third, be a slave of your bad habits. Fourth, don't bother to change the route. So, these are 4 sentences. Now, extract number 1, page number 42. Start the extract. If you do not travel, dash, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. Up to it. Then next, A2. Complex factual activities. In this question, this is first question, we call it big question, broad question. What things can lead to swallow death? And second question, how can we protect our self-esteem? So, these are 2 questions in this question. Read the extract and solve this question. Now, next question, A3. Activities based on poetic devices. First point, write the opposite of the following in the form of advice using different words and phrases. For example, you don't travel. Opposite, you should travel as much as you can. So, in this way, solve remaining sentences. First sentence, you do not appreciate yourself. Second, you kill your self-esteem. Third, you become a slave of habits. And fourth, you refuse to speak to strangers. So these are four sentences. Follow it. And second point, pick out the adjective from the extract and write them with the nouns they describe. Two adjectives, one and second. So solve this extract in your notebook as well as in your workbook also, and read it again and again by heartily, and we stop here and write it again and again also. We stop here